Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel and welcome to Newcastle Winter Wonderland. Having a quick look at all of the food vendors. And this one's my favourite, the Jack Daniel's pulled pork burgers, but it's a tenner. £10. Or you get the tower burger for 12. Now this Winter Wonderland has moved. It was at Gosforth for the last 2 years. It's getting loud. As I was saying, it was at Gosforth for the last 2 years. It's now moved to Newcastle Arena in the car park. It is a lot smaller, but we don't have mud on the floor. Some more food vendors. And right here, Emma's favourite food vendor. The bar. Kebab time. So what were mixed hero and a couple of pints, pint of cider, pint of lager. This little lot here, £23. What? Okay, filmed what we've had to film in there. There's nothing else to film. Honest review. Firstly, full disclosure, I was invited out to have VIP entry and VIP tickets for all the rides, so I wouldn't have to pay for anything, and they never materialised, so we had to pay for everything. Hence we didn't go on any rides because the rides were expensive. We're talking £5 each to go on the big wheel, so I wasn't going to pay that. Food is expensive, drinks expensive, so if you're going to come, bring deep pockets. Also, since it moved from its previous location at Gosforth to the arena car park, it has shrunk. There's not as many rides, not as many vendors, and the prices have gone up. So yeah, I think it's quite expensive. For example, a ride with the big wheel will cost you £5 each. That's not £5 per car, that's £5 per person. And yeah, me and Emma going there, it's tenner. Food-wise, the Jack Daniels burgers, you're looking at £10 for a standard one, £12 for a stack burger. Again, that's not steep, that's vertical. Drinks, our pints, so a pint of lager and a pint of cider, £5 each. Entry to the place is £2.50 each. So yeah, I think if they reduce the prices for next year, the event would be a lot better. There's no need to have prices that high. Anywho, on that note, I shall see you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.